you can know a move, but that's not the same as knowing how to get into the move in flow and or knowing how to get into the move in flow while you're turning. Those are different things. Because a really great example to me is the tangle, because it's so easy to tangle on a tangle. A lot of people, when they learn the tangle, they learn it this way. But in reality, how often are you here, unless you're doing like an isolated circle on the front plane? Most people, not so often. So if you have to warm up and get into it with this first, whatever version of that first, you have to have a move there that accommodates it. Which means just because you can do the tangle doesn't mean you can do the tangle from stillness. Doesn't mean you can do the tangle from, you know, some extension like that or the cap like that. Each one of those is its own unique entry. And if you're coming in it from a turn, like it's even different if I'm doing a turnaround. Like this, kinesthetically for me, is very different than this to this. And you probably, I would imagine the video reflected how the second one, where I wasn't turning, was actually cleaner than the one where I went around in the circle and I came into it. Although that second example belied what I was saying with my words, so